Question 11. The children in a class measure the lengths in centimeter of their feet. The table gives information about their results. Now this table shows the information about their results. You have the length of their feet, that's L in centimeters. This is a grouped data. Greater than or equals to 10 to less than 14, then greater than or equals to 14 to less than 18, greater than or equals to 18 to less than 22. That's the length of their feet in centimeters. These are the frequencies. From 10 to less than 14, you have 3 children. From 14 to less than 18, you have 21 children. From 18 to less than 22 centimeters in the length of their feet, you have 6 children. Now this is the midpoint. The midpoint here has to do with adding 10 to 14 and dividing by 2 to get the x value. The midpoint is also the x value. And 14 plus 18, which is 32, divided by 2 will give you 16 as the midpoint. Then 18 plus 22 will give you 40. 40 divided by 2 will give you 20. That's 20 as the midpoint. Now you have midpoint, which is x. You have the last table, which is midpoint times frequency, which you can also say is x times frequency, or frequency times x, which is multiplying them line by line. As 3 times 12 is 36. 21 times 16 will give you 336. And 6 times 20 will give you 120. Calculate an estimate of the mean length of these feet. This question is straight. They've done the table, they've gotten the midpoint, and they've gotten the fx. And the formula for the mean is summation fx. That's summation of f times x, which is frequency times the midpoint in this case. That means the addition of the frequency multiplied by the midpoint in this case, over summation of the frequency, which is the addition of the frequency. Now part of the table is done. This row represents the fx. And for you to get the summation of the fx, you add 36 plus 336 plus 120. You're allowed to use a calculator. The result is 492. Now you need the summation of the frequency too, which is at the denominator here, which is summation of the frequency or addition of the frequencies. We have 3 plus 21 plus 6, which your calculator will give you 30. Now you have summation fx as 492 and summation f as 30. So we insert it into the formula. This is equals to summation of fx is 492 over summation of the frequency, which is 30. With your calculator, you do 492 divided by 30. 492 divided by 30 will give you an answer, which is 16.4 centimeters. That's the mean is 16.4 centimeters.